Enjoyment of weather is a beautiful part of human life. When the weather is pleasant, so is the heart. The coolness of winter, the sunshine of summer, the golden leaves of autumn, and the colorful flowers of spring each have their own distinct pleasures. Summer is the time to enjoy beach walks, cooking with friends, and eating ice cream. In winters, sipping hot tea, curled up in a blanket reading a book, and chatting by the fire makes the heart happy. In spring, flowers blooming on the trees, chirping of birds, and the taste of fresh air bring a sense of new life. In autumn, the leaves falling from the trees, the cold winds, and the colors of autumn are also unique in their place. Every season brings with it new hopes and joys. The real secret of enjoyment is to live every moment to the fullest and be grateful for the blessings of nature.